Services Aptitude Test (CSAT) General Studies Paper 2 in the UPSC Civil Services Preliminary Examination requires a clear, disciplined strategy. CSAT is qualifying in nature. You need to score at least 33%, 66.67 marks out of 200. While it sounds manageable, the rising difficulty level over recent years means it can no longer be left to the last minute. 1. Exam structure and blueprint. Attribute. Details. Total marks 200 marks. Total questions 80 questions, 2.5 marks each. Negative marking, frac 1, 3, caret, text, road of assigned marks deducted per wrong answer, minus 0.83 marks, duration 2 hours. Qualifying cutoff 66.67 marks, 33%. Core areas tested. Reading comprehension, RC, approximately 25 to 30 questions. Quantitative aptitude and data interpretation, QA, D, approximately 35 to 40 questions. Logical reasoning and analytical ability, LR, approximately 12 to 15 questions. 2. Subject-wise preparation strategy. A. Quantitative aptitude, maths and DI. This section forms the major chunk of the paper and has seen a shift toward conceptual and number theory questions. High-yield topics, number system, divisibility rules, remainder theorems, LCM, HCF, unit digits, primes, and counting integers. This area alone often accounts for 15 plus questions. Basic arithmetic, percentages, ratio and proportion, profit and loss, simple and compound interest, averages, mixture and allegation. Speed, time and distance, time and work, basic formulas, relative speed, train, board problems, pipes and systems. Permutation, combination and probability, fundamental counting principle, arrangements, selections. Data interpretation, tables, bar graphs, pie charts, interpreting ratios and percentages. How to prepare? Build concept clarity first. Do not rely solely on shortcuts or tricks without understanding the underlying math. Solve questions from NCERT Class 6 to 10 Mathematics if your basics are rusty. Practicing standard aptitude questions, R.S. Agarwal or topic-wise PYQ workbooks helps build speed and accuracy. B. Logical reasoning and analytical ability. Logical reasoning provides high accuracy once you master the patterns. High-yield topics, syllogisms, Venn diagram techniques and statement conclusions. Coding, decoding and series, alphabet, number sequences, pattern matching. Direction, sense and blood relations, diagrammatic representations of movements and family trees. Seating arrangement and puzzles, linear and circular arrangements, scheduling puzzles. Clocks and calendars, finding angles between hands or days in years. How to prepare? Learn standard visual, diagrammatic representation techniques, e.g., family tree notation for blood relations. Avoid getting bogged down in overly complex, long puzzles during the initial parts of the paper. Solve single-step reasoning questions first. C. Reading comprehension, RC. UPSC RC passages are usually short, 100 to 200 words, but demand precise understanding of the author's argument. Common question types, crux, main idea of the passage. Logical inference, implication. Underlying assumption made by the author. Actionable conclusion, message. How to prepare? Stick to UPSC vocabulary. Words like inference, assumption, corollary, and crux have specific meanings in UPSC contexts. Avoid external knowledge. Base answers strictly on what is stated or directly implied in the passage, regardless of real-world facts. Practice directly from UPSC past year papers, PYQs, answer keys from coaching institutes often differ on RC, so analyzing UPSC's official answer keys is crucial to align with the examiner's mindset. 3. Step-by-step preparation roadmap. Step 1. Baseline assessment via recent PYQ. Identify your current standing. Attempt the most recent UPSC CSAT paper, e.g., 2024 or 2025, in a strict 2-hour timed environment without prior preparation. Step 2. Topic-wise concept building. Focus on fundamentals. Step 3. Systematic PYQ analysis. Analyze the last 10 years of CSAT papers. Step 4. Mock tests and time management practice. Simulate exam day conditions. 4. Exam day strategy and common pitfalls. Strategy component. Best practice. Target attempt count. Aim to attempt 50 to 55 questions with strong accuracy rather than trying all 80. Order of attempt. Start with your strongest area, e.g., quant, right arrow LR, right arrow RC or vice versa. The ego trap. Do not spend more than 2.5 to 3 minutes on a single math puzzle question. If stuck, skip and move on. Post GS paper I mindset. Treat paper I and paper 2 as completely separate. Do not discuss GS paper I during the afternoon break. To tailor this preparation plan to your specific situation, create a 3-month daily study timetable for CSAT alongside GS preparation. Explain rules and techniques for UPSC reading comprehension, assumptions vs inferences.